Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best professional convection ovens of 2026, best heavy-duty kitchen ovens. Whether you're baking artisan bread, roasting meats, air-frying crispy snacks, preparing family dinners, or running a busy home kitchen, a high-quality convection oven can significantly improve your cooking results. The best professional convection ovens combine powerful convection fans, spacious interiors, precise temperature control, multiple cooking functions, energy-efficient operation, and durable construction to deliver fast, even, and consistent cooking every time. From smart countertop ovens to heavy-duty multifunction appliances, today's models offer professional-level performance without requiring a full commercial kitchen. In this guide, we'll explore the best professional convection ovens available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's start cooking. Starting off with the Ninja DCT45112 in one smart oven. This premium countertop appliance delivers exceptional versatility and performance for serious home cooks. Featuring an advanced dual oven design, it allows users to cook 2 different meals at separate temperatures simultaneously, making dinner preparation faster and more efficient. Its powerful convection system circulates hot air evenly throughout both cooking chambers, producing perfectly baked desserts, evenly roasted meats, and crispy air-fried foods. With 12 cooking functions, including bake, roast, toast, air-fry, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, the oven easily handles everything from breakfast to large family dinners. Smart cooking technology simplifies meal preparation by coordinating cooking times between both compartments so everything finishes together. The spacious interior accommodates multiple dishes while maintaining a compact countertop footprint. Next up is the NewWave Bravo Pro Smart Oven, a feature-rich convection oven designed for precision cooking and maximum versatility. Equipped with advanced convection technology, this smart oven provides even heat circulation for faster cooking and beautifully browned results. Its digital controls allow precise temperature adjustments across a wide range of cooking methods, including baking, roasting, broiling, air frying, dehydrating, toasting, and reheating. The spacious interior accommodates large baking trays, pizzas, casseroles, and whole chickens, making it suitable for families and frequent entertainers. Integrated smart cooking features help maintain consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process, reducing guesswork and improving recipe accuracy. Durable stainless steel construction enhances long-term reliability, while removable racks and trays simplify cleanup. Users appreciate its generous capacity, reliable performance, and professional-level cooking flexibility. Moving on, the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven continues to be one of the most trusted countertop ovens for serious home cooking. Built with powerful convection heating, it delivers even airflow that reduces cooking time while producing consistently baked pastries, roasted vegetables, and perfectly toasted bread. Multiple cooking functions, including convection bake, broil, roast, pizza, toast, and warm, allow users to prepare a wide variety of meals using a single appliance. The spacious interior easily accommodates large baking dishes, multiple slices of bread, and family-sized meals while maintaining an attractive countertop design. Precision temperature controls provide dependable cooking accuracy, while the stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Users consistently praise its reliable cooking performance, sturdy build quality, and versatility across everyday cooking tasks. For those seeking professional-level countertop cooking performance, the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven remains a proven favorite. The Black Plus Decker 8-Slice Toaster Oven offers generous cooking capacity and dependable convection performance at an affordable price. Designed for busy households, its spacious interior easily fits large casseroles, baking pans, frozen pizzas, and up to 8 slices of bread, making it ideal for preparing meals for families. The convection fan promotes faster and more even cooking by circulating hot air throughout the oven cavity, reducing hot spots and improving browning. Multiple cooking modes, including bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, provide flexibility for everyday cooking tasks. Simple control knobs make operation straightforward, while the large viewing window allows users to monitor food without opening the door. The removable crumb tray simplifies cleaning, and the durable construction ensures dependable long-term performance. Users appreciate its roomy interior, reliable heating, and excellent overall value. Finally, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Oven, earns the top spot as our favorite professional convection oven for 2026 thanks to its outstanding combination of versatility, cooking performance, smart digital controls, and exceptional value. Designed to replace several kitchen appliances in one compact unit, this multifunction oven supports air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, reheating, and convection cooking with impressive consistency. Its powerful convection fan rapidly circulates hot air throughout the cooking chamber, delivering evenly cooked meals with crispy exteriors and tender interiors while reducing overall cooking times. The spacious interior provides enough room for family-sized meals, pizzas, baked goods, and multiple cooking trays, making it ideal for both everyday cooking and entertaining. Its intuitive digital control panel offers convenient cooking presets, precise temperature adjustments, and programmable timers for consistent results across a wide variety of recipes. All of these professional convection ovens offer excellent advantages depending on your cooking needs. The Ninja DCT 45112 in one smart oven provides innovative dual oven convenience for cooking multiple meals simultaneously. The NewWave Bravo Pro Smart Oven delivers precision digital cooking with exceptional versatility. The Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven offers dependable professional-level baking and roasting performance. The Black Plus Decker 8-slice toaster oven provides generous capacity and outstanding everyday value, while the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Oven stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its powerful convection performance, wide range of cooking functions, spacious interior, and exceptional overall versatility. When choosing a professional convection oven, it's important to consider cooking capacity, convection efficiency, available cooking functions, temperature accuracy, digital controls, cleaning convenience, build quality, energy efficiency, included accessories, and overall versatility. Selecting the right convection oven can transform your kitchen by delivering faster cooking, more consistent results, and greater flexibility for everyday meals. That wraps up our top 5 best professional convection ovens of 2026. Best heavy-duty kitchen ovens. Whether you're upgrading your countertop cooking setup, replacing an older oven, or searching for professional-level performance at home, there's an outstanding option on this list for every kitchen. Let us know in the comments which convection oven you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these impressive models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy faster, smarter, and more delicious cooking every day.